In today's video, we are going to cover how to change an invoice number in Xero. Start from your Xero dashboard and look to the top menu. From there, click Sales. This opens the area where your customer transactions are organized, including quotes, invoices, and payment activity. In the Sales section, select Invoices to move into the full invoice list. Once you are on the Invoices page, take a moment to find the invoice you want to change. You may be looking through a list of draft, awaiting payment, or paid invoices, depending on where that invoice currently sits in Xero. Open the correct invoice so you are working on the right record before making any edits. That matters here because the invoice number is tied to that specific transaction. With the invoice open, click Edit. This switches the invoice from view mode into an editable form so you can update the details. After that, locate the invoice number field. This is the field that displays the current invoice number assigned to the invoice. When you find that field, replace the existing number with the invoice number you want to use. Enter the new number carefully so it matches your records and naming pattern. If your business uses a sequence for invoices, this is the point where you will want to make sure the number fits that sequence before saving. It is also worth checking that you are not accidentally reusing a number that should belong to a different invoice. After updating the invoice number, look over the rest of the invoice and make any other necessary changes. This could include adjusting details that need to stay aligned with the invoice you are editing. If nothing else needs to be updated, you can leave the remaining fields as they are and move straight to saving the invoice. To finish, click Update or Save, depending on the button shown on your screen. This stores the revised invoice, including the new invoice number you entered. If Xero displays any warning or validation message, read it and confirm that the new invoice number is acceptable before proceeding. In some cases, the system may require the number to be unique or may flag a formatting issue, so it is a good idea to review the entry if the save does not go through on the first attempt. Once the invoice saves successfully, the updated number will appear on that invoice record. At that point, the change is complete and the invoice will now reflect the number you assigned. If you need to verify it, you can remain on the invoice screen and confirm the number shown in the invoice number field after the save finishes. The invoice in Xero is now saved with the new invoice number.